think that I say that much. So obviously, I say extend more hand of support to these people, but by the grace of God, come what you want to put in our no matter how small it might be, Banya Punyako and Lingho. Such that Nikoban Lingho, now we need to do many things. And maybe one of the main purpose it causes us to come back and maybe to bring more things in future by the grace of God. So from an organization, one operations officer Bangen, maybe Babuka Bangen before around the gendarmerie. Zenika Bangen recently one big office around gendarme. It is an office in which one center for community regeneration and development. So but other activities, especially Babuka, if you want to do vocational training, you can go there, it's free. So but another activity we are doing is sustainable livelihoods promotion in communities, protection of environment, women and youth empowerment, and sustainable agriculture. So one of the things we're bringing here today in our sustainable agricultural program would struggle for support communities in rainforest settings for say if we do the agricultural production with the aid of the little materials we give them. We also will not get material if we give each and every one like individual, but if we support the community and the people of Westside so that if we always be together, if now one collapse, some of you use them for money, they give a friend for evening. No be so.
If I say it in 10,000 words, I'll end up saying only one thing. I wish to say an immense thank you. I think that this is a bond that we are building between CCREAD-Cameroon and Mwambo, which I think is going to be for the benefit of our community. I'm a dynamic union Mwambo go get one grinding machine, so that grinding machine are there only for myself. Again, a spring down, spade, 2 machetes, and a wheelbarrow.